Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to our channel, Top Finance. Today, we're diving into one of the most sought-after topics for wanderlust souls: how to travel on a budget. Whether you're a backpacker, a weekend explorer, or someone dreaming of a luxury vacation without breaking the bank, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be sharing 7 amazing tips and tricks to help you stretch your travel dollars and make unforgettable memories without the hefty price tag. So, grab your notepads and let's get started. Tip 1. Plan ahead for maximum savings. Our first key to successful budget travel is planning ahead. Start by setting a travel budget that includes accommodation, transportation, food, and activities. Research your destination to identify the best times to visit when prices are lower and crowds are thinner. Booking flights and accommodations in advance can often lead to substantial savings. Consider using fare comparison websites and apps to find the best deals on transportation. Tip 2. Accommodation hacks. Accommodation often takes a significant chunk of your budget, but fear not. There are plenty of ways to save here. Hostels can be an excellent choice for budget travelers, offering a chance to meet fellow adventurers. If you prefer more privacy, look into vacation rentals and guest houses, which can be cheaper than hotels. Embrace the sharing economy with platforms like Airbnb and Couchsurfing, where you can find affordable or even free places to stay. Tip 3. Eat smart and local. Now, let's talk about keeping your taste buds and your wallet happy. Eating local is not only a delicious way to experience a new culture, but it's also budget-friendly. Explore street food markets, local eateries, and grocery stores for affordable and authentic meals. Consider booking accommodations with kitchen facilities to prepare your own meals, which can save you a significant amount over time. Tip 4. Transportation savings. Getting around your destination doesn't have to be expensive. Public transportation is often cheaper than taxis or rental cars and can provide a more immersive experience. Walking or renting a bicycle can be not only budget-friendly but also eco-friendly. Look into city passes or travel cards that offer discounts on transportation and attractions. Tip 5. Free and low-cost activities. Don't worry, budget travel doesn't mean missing out on experiences. Many destinations offer a plethora of free and low-cost activities. Explore local parks, markets, and museums that offer discounted or free entry on specific days. Join walking tours or hiking groups to discover hidden gems and meet fellow travelers without breaking the bank. Tip 6. Travel off-peak. Timing is everything when it comes to budget travel. Consider visiting your dream destination during its off-peak season. Not only will you enjoy fewer crowds, but you'll also find lower prices on accommodations, flights, and activities. Shoulder seasons often provide a perfect balance between favorable weather and reduced costs. Tip 7. Travel smarter with rewards and deals. Last but not least, let's talk about travel rewards and deals. Sign up for frequent flyer programs and travel credit cards that offer points and miles for every purchase. These can add up quickly and lead to discounted or even free flights and accommodations. Be on the lookout for online deals, flash sales, and package discounts that can help you save significantly. And there you have it, fellow travelers, our comprehensive guide on how to travel on a budget. Remember, with a little planning, creativity, and an open mind, you can embark on incredible adventures without draining your bank account. So, go ahead and start putting these tips into action, and let us know in the comments which one you're most excited to try. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and inspiration. Until next time, safe and budget-friendly travels.